If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Zelle, follow these simple steps to manage your payments effectively. This guide will help you navigate through the process. Step 1. Identify recurring payments. Review your transaction history in the Zelle app or your bank's app to identify any recurring payments that you want to stop. Make a note of the sender or recipient and the amount. Step 2. Contact your bank. Reach out to your bank or credit union that offers Zelle services. Most banks have customer service lines or online chat options. Explain that you want to stop recurring payment and provide them with the necessary details. Step 3. Cancel the payment authorization. If the recurring charge is linked to a specific merchant or service, log into your account with that merchant. Look for payment settings or subscriptions and cancel the authorization for future payments. Step 4. Monitor your account. After you've taken steps to stop the recurring charges, keep an eye on your bank account or Zelle transactions for the next few weeks. Ensure that no further payments are being deducted. Step 5. Update your payment preferences. If you have other subscriptions or services linked to Zelle, consider updating your payment preferences to avoid future issues. You can switch to a different payment method or set reminders for manual payments instead. By following these steps, you can effectively stop recurring charges on Zelle and manage your finances better. Always remember to keep track of your transactions to avoid any unwanted payments in the future.